Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we get to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Gorgeous car, guys. It's got about just over 2,000 miles on a body-up restoration. A good, solid Alabama car. Factory red on red. It's a factory cranberry red car with medium red interior. Pretty car. It has it. Now, it's not matching numbers, but it does have an era correct CRX code LS5 454 cubic inch engine in it. It's got aftermarket vintage AC, 400 turbohydramatic trans. Good car, man. Like I say, it's out of Alabama. Really just a good looking car. I love the red on red, guys. Cowl hood. It's got the 14-inch correct SS rally wheels on it with Uniroyal Tiger Paws all the way around it. It's the only thing I'd nitpick. I like 15s, but you know, this is actually what they came with. You see brand new front bumper. Pretty paint. Got the black SS stripes on it. They're all clear coated under. I love the red on red, guys. Looks like a brand new rear bumper. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Got the front disc brakes. Again, this is non-matching numbers car, but it is a CRX code LS5 454 cubic inch engine. Edelbrock 4-barrel. You can see it's got an Edelbrock Air Gap intake, stock exhaust manifolds. They've converted it to vintage AC, power steering, power front disc brakes. Is it? Oh, we've got that? Oh, Jay's telling me we got the little thing that's missing up there for the grates. 400 turbohydramatic trans. Of course, got the big radiator in it with the shroud. Stock air cleaner with the chrome valve covers. Good looking car, man. Door handles are nice. You can see all the new door rubbers and door fudges. All that stuff's brand new. Little nick there in the interior. That actually looks like an original door pad. Again, it is a factory 788 code, which is the red interior. They put new carpet in it. Factory bucket seats, console. It's got the sports steering wheel. He also did not refurbish the gauges. He left them alone so that people didn't think he, you know, changed it from a Malibu to an SS. Of course, all the SSs had the round gauges. 2768 on the odometer there. Of course, it's got the aftermarket vintage levers on it. AM radio, aftermarket gauges underneath there. It's got dual exhaust. It is a 12-bolt 331 rear end. It's got the rear sway bar with the F41 rear suspension. These 70s are hot. Everybody likes Chevelles are hot right now. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. It's got the factory jack with the spare. Good looking car. Car's nice underneath. Again, it was not a frame off, but it was a body up. Yeah, I like this red, man. I think it's pretty. Seats are nice. Padding's nice and firm too. The seats aren't all broken down. In other words, they refoamed them and everything. It's got the correct Chevelle mats, rubber mats in there. Does blow cold, they just kicked it on. I'll have you come pin this thing. Fuel gauge works. No on the clock, everything else is on the lights. Hanger. I'll have Jay check that hanger too. It might have those rubber mount hangers on. I'll check them. It's got a little squeak on one of the tips back there. Gauges down there working. AM radio works. If you can get a station in. All our switches up there work.
Come on, baby.
They've definitely got power.
Oh.
It does, yeah, it does power up. Well, they've popped up. Sticking. They're coming up. They must be touching on the, I bet you they're sticking on the hood there. We'll check those. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Good looking car, man. I guess they both did. This is probably the mounts on them they used. They're probably rubber mounts instead of solid mounts. Well, that car's got a good look to it right there. Have a great day, guys.